Hello guys. Now in this video we would be talking the problem related to IQR score. So we know about IQR. IQR is called as uh, this is called as interquartile range. So I have already discussed this IQR score in data pre-processing technique. Now before going into the problem, once I will brush your knowledge on this IQR score and we will go into IQR problem. So here we will be having five terms we would like to concentrate on. First one is first quartile, second one is Q2 second quartile, third one is Q3 third quartile, fourth one is IQR interquartile range, fifth one is whisper, sixth one is reduction of outliers, seventh one is minimum range and maximum range. So five terms are very important, and later two terms are also important. Okay, na? So let us see what exactly each term is meant for. So median in the sense it is the mid value of our data set. This is also called as Q2, or this is also called as 50th percentile. Okay, na? What is Q first quartile? This is called Q1. This is also called as 25th percentile. The middle value from the smallest to the median. The middle value from the smallest to the median. I think you know about binary search. What binary search is doing? If there are n numbers, we will divide the 10 numbers into two halves. Exactly half is called as median. We know that n by 2. So what is first quartile is saying that? First quartile is saying that it is the mid value in between the first smallest value and the median. It is the mid value in between the smallest and the median. Okay, now what third quartile is telling that it is the mid value. It is the median of it is the median of the middle value between the middle value and the largest value, that is third quartile. What is IQR is telling us? IQR is the difference between 25th quartile to the 75th quartile. What is whisper? Whisper is nothing but is a line. It is a line. What is minimum range for to say it is not an outlier? That is Q1 minus 1.5 star IQR. What is maximum range? Maximum range is Q3 plus 1.5 star IQR. Okay, na? Now let us move on to the problem of IQR. So let me open that directory in desktop project resources. It is in this. No, okay. See here. Now I am taking a problem where this problem is having 10 boxes of resigns with weights. So these are the 10 samples you will be having: 25, 28, 29, 29. So these are 10 boxes of resigns which of various weights in terms of graphs. So now we will calculate IQR for this given data. So let us first let us what we do is we will arrange them in an ascending order. So the first step is arranging them in ascending order: 25, 28 and so on 38. This is arranging in ascending order. Second one is finding mid. How can we find median? See, cancel 28 and 25 and 38, 28 and 37, 29 and 35, 29 and again 35, 30 and 34 are the mid values. So 30 plus 34 by 2, that is 32. The median is 32. What we had did, we had calculated the median. So after finding the median, so we need to divide our list into two halves. Okay, na? How can we divide? See here, this is the range. So mid is 32. So mid is 32. Median is 32. So the values behind this 25, 28, 29, 29, 30. So this is called as these values are behind one half of one half, and 34, 35, 35, 37, 38. This is other half. Okay, na? In the first half we will calculate Q1. In the second half, you will calculate the Q3. That is what? First quartile and third quartile. So in this first half, 25, 28, 29, 30, 29, 29, 30. So calculate 25, 30, calculate 28, 29. The middle value is 29. So this is called Q1. This is called Q1. The Q3, how we calculate Q3? Median of this, median to the largest value. So 35, 35, 35, 37, 38. So calculate, cancel 34, 38, 35, 37. So median is 35. So now we know what exactly, summary. What you know, what is the minimum value of all these? Minimum value in this all the weights is 25, right? So minimum value is 25, maximum value is 38, Q1 value is 29, median is 32, and Q3 value is 35. These are the 5-number summary. 5-number summary. What it represents? Smallest value, largest value. Smallest value 25, largest value 38. This 29 is telling us the Q1, 35 is telling Q3, 32 is the median. Okay, now let us draw this box plot for that. Let us take the line, this is line axis, right? With some random values which is suitable for our, with some regular intervals. See, 25, 28, 3, 3, 3, 3 difference, okay na? Now what we can draw is, you know, Q1 and Q3, okay na? Draw the box from Q1 to Q3 with vertical line. So here our value of Q1 is 29, right? So 28, 29. See my cursor point. 28, 29. 29 is Q1. So draw the vertical line. Okay na? For 35 is Q3. What is the median for us? 32. 32 is our median. So draw the Q1, Q3 and median. Draw line for median. Okay, now after drawing that, we need to draw the whisper line, minimum and maximum. So minimum value is, in our case, is 25. Maximum value is 38. So draw a line that is called whisper. Okay na? Now finally this is our blocks plot. This is our blocks plot. How can you calculate I3 value? I3 value is the difference of Q3 and Q1. So Q3 is 35 here, and 29 value is Q1. Okay na? 35 minus 29. So IQR value is 6. Okay na? So see here, this Q1 is called as 25th percentile, and Q3, let us take Q3. This is 25%. This is 25%. This is 24.5%. So Q3 is called 75% of 75 percentile. Q1 is called 25 percentile. Okay, now median is called 50 percentile because this is 25%. This is 25%. That is median is called. This median is called 50 percentile. Q1 is called 25 percentile. Q3 is called 75 percentile. I think so. This is very clear for you. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment section. Like this video.